You probably don't realize it, but the everyday items in your home might be putting your health in danger. Imagine using something as common as a pan or an air freshener, not knowing that over time, it could be silently increasing your risk of cancer. Yes, that's right. Some of the most ordinary products around us contain harmful chemicals that can have serious effects on your health. In this video, we're going to reveal 10 common household items that may be causing cancer and explain how you can protect yourself. Make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell right now so you don't miss any crucial tips for keeping your family safe. Number 1. Non-stick cookware. Non-stick cookware is incredibly convenient and easy to clean, making it a staple in many kitchens. But what most people don't know is that when you heat non-stick pans, they can release toxic chemicals into the air. One of the most harmful chemicals is perfluorotenoic acid, PFOA, which is used to make the non-stick coating. When heated at high temperatures, this chemical can break down and release dangerous fumes. These fumes contain carcinogenic particles that can increase the risk of cancer, especially over time. The more you use these pans, the more you are exposed to harmful substances. To stay safe, it's recommended that you switch to safer cookware options like glass or ceramic. These materials are just as effective for cooking, but don't release harmful toxins, making them a much healthier choice in the long run. Number 2. Artificial sweeteners. As more people try to cut down on sugar, artificial sweeteners have become very popular. However, many of these sweeteners come with their own set of risks. Artificial sweeteners like aspartame, saccharin, and sorbitol have been linked to several serious health issues, including cancer. Aspartame, in particular, has been studied for its possible connection to brain tumors and leukemia. While these sweeteners may help reduce sugar intake, they can be doing more harm than good in the long run. A safer alternative is to switch to natural sweeteners like stevia or erythritol. These natural options not only taste great, but also provide health benefits like controlling blood sugar levels and supporting healthy gut bacteria, without the risks associated with artificial sweeteners. Number 3. Plastic bottles and food containers. Plastic is all around us, used in everything from water bottles to food containers. However, the chemicals in many plastics, such as bisphenol and BPA, can leak into your food and drinks, especially when exposed to heat. BPA has been linked to multiple health problems, including developmental issues in children, hormonal imbalances, and even cancer. Studies have shown that long-term exposure to BPA can lead to serious health problems, as it can mimic estrogen in the body, causing hormonal disruptions. To protect yourself and your family, it's important to switch to glass or stainless steel containers. These alternatives are not only safer for your health, but also better for the environment, reducing plastic waste. Number 4. Air fresheners. Air fresheners are commonly used to make homes smell fresh and clean, but they may be doing more harm than good. Many air fresheners contain chemicals that can irritate your lungs and lead to serious health issues. In fact, studies have shown that frequent use of air fresheners can cause respiratory problems like asthma and chronic bronchitis. Over time, exposure to the chemicals in these products, such as formaldehyde, has also been linked to an increased risk of cancer. Instead of using synthetic air fresheners, you can switch to natural alternatives like essential oils or simply open windows to let fresh air circulate. These options are not only healthier, but also provide a pleasant, natural scent for your home. Number 5. Commercial cleaning products. Most people believe commercial cleaning products keep their homes safe and free from germs, but many of these products contain dangerous chemicals that can cause respiratory issues and even mess with your hormones. Long-term exposure to these cleaning agents can increase the risk of serious health problems, including cancer. Instead, switch to safer, natural alternatives like vinegar and baking soda. They are just as effective at cleaning, but without the harmful side effects, making them a healthier option for both you and your home. Number 6. Toothpaste. You use toothpaste every day, but did you know some brands contain harmful chemicals like saccharin, an artificial sweetener classified as a possible cancer-causing substance? Additionally, too much fluoride, found in many kinds of toothpaste, has been linked to thyroid problems and other health issues. A safer alternative is to switch to natural toothpaste options or even use coconut oil, which has been shown to have bacteria-fighting properties. This way, you can keep your teeth healthy without putting yourself at risk. Number 7. Shampoo. Many people rely on anti-dandruff shampoos, but the hidden danger lies in the chemicals they contain. Methylisothiazolinone, often found in these shampoos, is suspected of causing DNA changes, which may lead to cancer. Some shampoos are even contaminated with 14-dioxane, a chemical linked to cancer. Always check the ingredients in your personal care products and look for shampoos that don't contain these harmful chemicals. Choosing natural, safer products can reduce your long-term health risks. Number 8. Mothballs. Mothballs are often used to protect clothes from pests, but the active ingredient, naphthalene, is highly toxic. Long-term exposure to naphthalene can lead to liver and kidney damage and has even been linked to cancer. To avoid these risks, it's better to use natural moth repellents like lavender or cedar. These alternatives are effective at keeping moths away and don't come with the serious health risks that mothballs carry. Number 9. Antibacterial soap. Antibacterial soaps might seem like a good way to kill germs, but many of them contain triclosan, a chemical that the FDA has banned from certain products due to its harmful effects. Triclosan has been shown to disrupt hormone function and may even contribute to the development of antibiotic-resistant bacteria. Switching to natural soaps made from essential oils can give you the same antibacterial benefits without the harmful chemicals. Plus, natural soaps are biodegradable, meaning they're better for the environment too. Number 10. Flea and tick treatments. If you have pets, you've likely used flea and tick treatments to protect them. But many of these products contain fipronil, a chemical that can cause seizures, vomiting, and other health issues in both animals and humans. Fipronil has even been linked to cancer in some cases. To protect your pets and your family, speak to your vet about safer, less toxic alternatives. This simple change can keep your pets healthy without exposing them, and you, to harmful chemicals. By being mindful of these common household items, you can reduce your exposure to harmful chemicals that may increase your risk of cancer. Small changes, like switching to natural and safer alternatives, can make a big difference in your health and the health of your loved ones. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you can stay updated on more important health tips that could save your life.